Welcome to Beyond Buzz. Space. A vast, silent ocean, scattered with distant stars. Its darkness stretches endlessly, a canvas for cosmic mysteries waiting to be discovered. For generations, we've sent robotic explorers into this cosmic sea, searching for answers. Each mission pushes the boundaries of what we know, venturing further into the unknown. China's Tianwen-1 spacecraft was on its way to Mars, carrying hopes, dreams, and scientific instruments. But space had a surprise in store, one that no one could have predicted. A faint, ghostly shape flickered in its camera, a moving object, not on any chart. It drifted across the field of view, mysterious and unannounced. The anomaly caught the attention of Mission Control. Scientists leaned in, eyes fixed on the screens, curiosity piqued by the unknown. It was a comet, a rare traveler from the solar system's edge. These icy wanderers seldom cross our path, making each encounter precious. Tianwen-1 was in the right place at the right time, perfectly positioned to witness this cosmic event. The team decided to turn the spacecraft's instruments toward this unexpected visitor, eager to capture every possible detail. The object was identified as 3I Atlas, a comet on a lonely journey through the vast emptiness, far from home. At first, it seemed unremarkable, a dim, frozen rock, drifting quietly, almost invisible against the blackness. But Tianwen-1 kept watching, its cameras locked on, determined not to miss a moment. Suddenly, the comet began to change. Its appearance shifted, as if awakening from a deep slumber. A flicker of light, a shift in brightness, something was happening. The comet was coming alive before their eyes. The change was so sudden, it sent a ripple of excitement through the scientific community. Researchers exchanged glances, realizing they were witnessing something rare. The quiet wanderer was beginning to stir, its icy surface reacting to the warmth of the sun, forming a glowing tail. In the silent theater of space, Tianwen-1 became the sole witness to this transformation, alone, but vigilant. Data streamed back, painting a picture that was about to become extraordinary. Every byte brought new clues, new questions. The universe was about to reveal one of its subtle, profound performances. A cosmic show unfolding millions of kilometers from Earth. The stage was set for a discovery no one expected, and the world waited to see what secrets the comet would unveil. To truly grasp the significance of this moment, we must first meet the two remarkable travelers on their cosmic journey. Tianwen-1, whose name means questions to heaven, is a marvel of modern engineering, an ambitious mission that combines an orbiter, a lander, and a rover, all working together as one. Its sophisticated instruments were meticulously designed to observe and analyze the space environment during its long journey to Mars, collecting invaluable data along the way. Then there's 3I Atlas, a mysterious visitor. Once thought to be an interstellar object from beyond our solar system, it is now believed to be a long-orbit comet, originating from the distant reaches of our own solar system. Comets like Atlas are ancient time capsules, born in the icy Oort cloud, and are considered leftovers from the dawn of the solar system's creation, carrying secrets from billions of years ago. While Tianwen-1 followed a carefully calculated and precise path to reach Mars, Atlas wandered on a wild, unpredictable orbit, shaped by the gravitational forces of the planets and the sun. Their meeting in the vastness of space was pure cosmic coincidence, a rare alignment of two very different travelers. Atlas was first spotted by the Atlas survey in Hawaii, appearing faint and distant against the backdrop of the night sky, its presence barely noticeable at first. Ground-based telescopes on Earth could only observe the comet from afar, limited by distance and atmosphere, but Tianwen-1 had a front-row seat to this celestial event. From its unique vantage point in Mars' orbit, Tianwen-1 could see the comet with a clarity and detail impossible to achieve from Earth, capturing images and data never seen before. This was a meeting of the ancient and the modern, a rare scientific opportunity where a relic from the solar system's birth crossed paths with the latest achievement of human technology. The drama of discovery was about to unfold, and Tianwen-1 was perfectly positioned to witness and record this extraordinary encounter. Sometimes, the universe arranges encounters that have the power to change everything we know, offering new insights and sparking our imagination. This was one of those rare and unforgettable moments, a cosmic meeting that would inspire scientists and dreamers alike. Tianwen-1's powerful cameras watched intently as 3I Atlas began to transform before their digital eyes, millions of kilometers from home. For several days, the comet appeared as nothing more than a faint, stable point of light, barely distinguishable from the endless blackness of space. Then, in a matter of just a few hours, its brightness surged, becoming nearly 1,000 times more luminous, as if a cosmic spotlight had suddenly been switched on. It was as if a hidden switch had been flipped deep inside the comet, unleashing its long dormant energy. A vast cloud of dust and gas, known as the coma, rapidly expanded outward from the icy nucleus, enveloping the comet in a glowing shroud. This was no gentle awakening, it was a violent, explosive outburst, sending material hurtling into space. The sleeping giant had roared to life, astonishingly far from the sun's warmth, where such activity is rarely seen. Normally, comets only awaken as they approach the sun, but Atlas defied expectations and ignited on its own, in the cold depths of space. Tianwen-1 captured the first ever detailed images of a comet turning itself on, documenting this rare cosmic event in stunning clarity. In one frame, there was only a dim, unremarkable object drifting through the void. In the very next, a brilliant, rapidly expanding cloud burst forth, transforming the scene entirely. The spacecraft's instruments documented the incredible speed and dramatic evolution of the coma as it grew and changed shape. It was like watching a flower bloom in fast forward, but this blossom was made of ancient ice and cosmic dust, unfolding in the vacuum of space. The data was both clear and surprising, revealing details scientists had never seen before about how comets can suddenly awaken. Tianwen-1 had witnessed, in real time, the birth of an active world, a transformation that would have otherwise gone unnoticed. This lucky, unexpected observation would forever change how we think about comets, their behavior, and the mysteries they still hold. On Earth, scientists stared in disbelief at the data from Tianwen-1. Was it a glitch? No. The instruments were perfect, the data real. The comet had truly flared, and the images proved it. Comets are supposed to become active near the sun, not hundreds of millions of kilometers away. The standard model couldn't explain this outburst. It was like a log bursting into flames on a frozen lake. Scientists buzzed with questions. What triggered it? A landslide? Trapped gas? Theories flew, but one thing was clear. This was a direct observation of a phenomenon only theorized before. Previous observations saw only the aftermath. Tianwen-1 caught the act itself. It was a groundbreaking moment, rewriting textbooks. The surprise wasn't just the event, but that we saw it happen live. Sometimes science advances with a single lucky glimpse. This was one of those times. What is self-activation? Imagine a shaken soda can. Pressure builds, then erupts. Comets contain volatile ices, like frozen carbon monoxide, that can turn to gas at very low temperatures. Deep inside, these ices may be trapped beneath a crust. Over time, even faint warmth can turn them to gas, building pressure. The comet's weak crust eventually bursts, releasing dust and gas in a violent explosion. This is likely what Tianwen-1 observed, a pocket of pressurized gas breaking free. The eruption formed the new, expansive coma. Self-activation doesn't need the sun's heat, it's driven by the comet's own chemistry. This means comets are dynamic worlds, not just passive ice balls. They can erupt and transform on their own, far from the sun. This discovery shows comets can be active much farther out than we thought. They carry the seeds of their own spectacular displays. The universe is more dynamic than we imagined. The observation of 3I Atlas is more than a cosmic light show. It changes our models of how comets work. Now, sudden outbursts must be included. By studying the ejected material, we learn about the comet's interior and the early solar system. What ices are so volatile? Their composition reveals the conditions of our solar system's birth. This has implications for the story of life. Comets may have delivered water and organics to Earth and could do so elsewhere. If comets are active far out, they could seed many worlds with life's ingredients. This discovery was a complete accident, a reminder that exploration brings surprises. Some of the greatest discoveries come from simply looking. Every mission has the potential to change what we know. Curiosity and open eyes lead to breakthroughs. The universe rewards those who explore. Tianwen-1's detour became a milestone in comet science. Comets are messengers from the distant past, carrying the story of our origins. For most of history, we saw them as mysterious omens. Now we're reading their stories firsthand. The discovery of self-activation adds a new chapter. These messengers are not silent, they shout their secrets into the void. The outburst of 3I Atlas revealed a violent, dynamic inner nature. The solar system is alive, constantly changing. Comets witness the birth of planets and survive billions of years. When a comet erupts, it releases ancient material for us to study. Missions like Tianwen-1 and Rosetta help us piece together our origin story. Are we alone? How did life begin? The answers may be locked in comets. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. 3I Atlas is another vital clue in this cosmic detective story. The observation of 3I Atlas opens new questions. How common is self-activation? What triggers these outbursts? Future missions will watch comets farther out, ready for spontaneous events. Imagine a spacecraft flying through a plume, sampling ancient gases and dust. We're moving from passive observers to active participants in cosmic events. The universe is full of mysteries and surprises. Tianwen-1 and 3I Atlas show the power of curiosity and persistence. There's still so much to learn, so much to see. The darkness between the stars is filled with stories waiting to be told. We will keep asking our questions to heaven. With each discovery, we learn more about the cosmos and ourselves. The universe is waiting.